Hi, Sheena here. I'm going to do a video for you today because somebody asked me a very good question and I wanted to go ahead and share with you what I do because when I researched it, I didn't really find a lot about it on the internet. So the question was, after you've done your hair with henna, do you, when you retouch it, do you do the whole thing or do you just do the roots? So that was the question. And I personally do the entire head over again because I love the benefits of henna. I love how it makes my hair feel so soft and how it gives me body, and I also love how bright it makes my hair. So today I actually am going to show you what my hair looks like because today is the day after I did my hair with henna. So yesterday I had put my henna in my hair, and this is the day after. Now I use Henna King. If you guys watched my last video, you'll know that. But on Henna King, the directions tell you to do it right away. So you mix it up. I usually mix it with vinegar and then I put it on my head right away. Now the last two times I used Henna King, I actually did that with the directions. But this last time, I did it a little bit differently. I did it like I did previously before I started using Henna King. So what I did is I left it out for 24 hours. I mixed it and let it sit to get the color to where I wanted it. I also used lemon juice, and I did something a little bit differently this time. I did use some cranberry juice before I mixed it, which helped with the smell a lot. I really like that at the very end when it's, when you're done and it's set out, and when the next day when you're stirring it, it's kind of thick, and you want it to be a little bit more like mashed potatoes, I guess, when you put it in your hair because you want it to be able to spread. So I actually used some cranberry juice to help it, and it helped with the smell. It also helped with the red. So I really loved the outcome of it this time because what I felt like before was my hair was getting really, really dark. And I didn't really like that. I wanted the more natural orangey red. And this is what I was talking about in the last video when I said orangey red. I don't know if you guys can really see that. But I want to get a close-up of my roots and also my forehead because you're going to see that red orangey look. And it doesn't look bad. And after a couple of days, it's actually going to fade a little bit and it's going to look a little bit more natural. But I really like the outcome. So lemon juice and a little bit of cranberry juice. And that really helped. So hopefully that answered your questions with that. And as far as the question with if you did your whole hair or just the roots, I definitely do my whole hair every time because I just love the results of what henna gives me. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, keep watching my videos, and if you have any questions, please go ahead and post them and I will try and do a video and answer them as quickly as I can. Okay, keep henna in.